Eviction is never easy, but for Utah property owners, knowing the legal process can help protect your property, your peace of mind, and your bottom line. Let's walk through the essential steps of a Utah eviction. First things first, ensure you have a valid legal reason to evict. In Utah, this could be non-payment of rent, lease violations, or illegal activity on the property. Next, serve the appropriate eviction notice. For a non-payment, a 3-day pay or vacate notice is common. For other issues, it may be a 3-day notice to comply or vacate. Timely and accurate delivery is key. If the tenant doesn't respond, it's time to file a formal eviction complaint in court. This involves submitting paperwork and attending a hearing, where you'll need documentation and proof. Once the court rules in your favor, the tenant is ordered to vacate. If they don't leave, a sheriff can be involved to enforce the eviction legally. Eviction is serious, and timing, documentation, and legal precision matter. Consider working with a property management expert like TierOne to handle the process smoothly and legally.